something I got from my aunt, not you. This is a bathroom set. Red wine. You see that? Luminous, yeah.
Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Deki Boo, and today I will be doing a unboxing of all my Christmas presents. Yes, I know it's in January now and the video is long overdue, but I decided that I'm gonna do the video now. I was gonna do it like when everything done, like I got back my room or whatever, but I can't wait. Yeah, and I know you guys want content and I want to push out some content, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Shout out goes out to Carlin Watson TV. Yeah guys, just go over that channel and subscribe for me. Show them some support, love and kindness. Okay, these are aromatherapy stress relief body wash from Essence Boutique. They sell bath and body work products. As I said, this is aromatherapy stress relief, which has lavender and vanilla. I need this. This one has eucalyptus and tea. Not really seeing it very well, but that's it. This one has eucalyptus and spearmint. Yeah. Let me do a quick thumbnail pic. Okay, so this is a hand soap, same from Essence Boutique. It's a toasted vanilla chai or whatever that word is. Yes, it's foam. Yeah, so when you spray it out, it comes out in foam, and then when you rub it on, it's out. Yes, she also sells sprays, lotions, and all that good stuff. Mama, you bam bam in my video. Anyways, okay, I have this. This is a cup that I got. Yes, a cup. I got it as an appreciation of my service at work. Why are you laughing in my video? Here it is.
Said the word appreciation.
That's how I pronounce it. Yes. I really don't know how to pronounce it, honestly. Appreciate or whatever. Yes, so this is a lovely cup to drink tea out of every day. Yeah, pretty and nice. Yeah. Can't wait to get back my room and fix up my room, man. Now this is a blender. Yes, I got this for myself. Yes, and I also got one for this lady over here that is in my video. For what reason, I don't know. Yes, it's a portable blender that you can use even when you're going jogging or exercising, whatever, or even to work. You put some fruits, vegetable, whatever you want to blend in it, and you know, whatever. This now is something I got from my aunt, my beloved aunt, and I had to open it because I was excited. Not you. It's not you, give me. Oh my god. Look how pretty it is. Thank you, Auntie. Oh my god. I
that smell
Children, it smell like you.
That smell better for, I smell better for me than you.
Bad man. But it smell like something where you would have into it. This is for special occasions only. Yes, baby. What year to put them in my video? Alright, we'll pause for a bit.
When it's hot, I hit the answer spot.
The look at in our on our front.
Then she all that ear and she know what is sitting there and let me there.
Anyways, this is a bathroom set. Yes, this is from Tam Tam's Variety Store. Oh, the blender was from them too. Yeah, Tam Tam's Variety Store. I bought this again, and I bought one for my aunt as well because yeah, we're twinning, we're twins. Yes, this is the soap dish. This is the hand soap jar, which you put the little spray thingy in. Guys, as I said, I don't have my room. That's the reason why out here so noisy. I have to be filming in the kitchen area. Not even the kitchen, this is a living room, but whatever. And this is where you put your toothbrush in. And oh no, this is what you put your toothbrush in. I don't know what the other one is for. I guess for any other accessory. You can see the cover here for the next one. This is also from Tam Tam's Variety Store. This is a fountain, a mini water fountain. Yeah. Yes, you can see whatever this is. And then there's a tray. Yes. Then you have the stones that it comes with. So nice little stone, put it in the tray. And let it be beautiful. And it also makes lovely noises, like, you know, cool, like when you're meditating or relaxing or getting a massage, you hear the water or whatever that sound is. Guys, follow us on TikTok. Yes, we're blowing up TikTok. Hers is 876 Tomboy Mom. And mine is Becky_87_. This is another thing I bought from Tam Tam's Variety Store. This is a shoe stand which you will see me unboxing and setting up in another video. Yeah. Now, this is a LED light strip which I'm gonna put in my room or my bathroom. Yes, it's gonna be pretty colorful in there. Alright, true. Now, this is a wine that I got for my Christmas as well. Yes, I got this wine. It's red Normandy, which I actually re-gifted and gave her for her birthday. Yes.
For the soul.
I always re-gift things. So till the girl would give me this wine, anytime she give me something, she said, don't re-gift it, you know.
You know what?
I got a present one time for Christmas.
People give me
and I gave my grandma it for her birthday. You comedy broke. Why not give something where you have wrapped up or whatever? This is pink Moscato, and I'm not gonna give this away. I never give it away. I gave away the other one that I got, and I'm sorry if you watch my video and you're the one who gave me this. Don't worry, may I drink it too. Also, red wine. Girl, gonna turn up me and Trudy and another place turned up. Right, Trudy, don't Trudy? We're gonna turn up till the... You don't drink liquor?
When you drink liquor, heat nice.
Real, wine this now. We're gonna turn up.
When I drink wine with alcohol night, we have to have something to unleash it on.
What? To unleash it on your puss them. Anyways, this now, didn't come in this box, but I put it in this box because we're doing an unboxing video, so why not unbox it? These are some slides that I got from my aunt. Yes, thank you, aunt. I really love them. You know, look, fits very well. Fits me so good, and it suits my skin. Right too. Ooh, you see that? Yeah. What else? Okay. Monet_artsfits. Make sure you go over her channel and subscribe as well. It's on the screen. Write down the name. If you're not able to subscribe now because you're watching the video, subscribe after, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. She suggested that, well, she said she wanted me to do an unboxing of this because this is the gift that I got from my pixie at work. Yes, every time I see Judy, I'm nervous. Something about Judy, and I'm gonna start if my wife can. But yes, so yeah, let's unbox this. As I know y'all was wondering what did I get. Yeah, and here it is. I'm actually gonna open it because it's not that big. You can easily go back in the box. Put it down and make you wanna marry me. Oh, put it down and make you wanna marry me.
I keep telling her, yeah, this is we're crying our box at this is.
Julian, I'm gonna cut out my teeth and put a tattoo teeth on of a guy. And what you think about that?
That is your business.
That is love.
Grace and that CEO becomes Z.
My teeth. What's up, my teeth? I'm gonna take out one of my teeth and put a fake teeth with a guy's picture on it. Oh, this is from Tom Skincare. Not skincare. She has a skincare brand, but Tom's variety store. Oh my God! Y'all must be wondering what is this shit. But let me tell you what it is. It is a lamp. Yes, it's a LED lamp. You can turn it on and it will glow in the dark. Yeah. It's a LED portable lamps or whatever you call that. Yeah, it's a lamp. So you'll see that in my video when I'm packing up stuff and, you know, getting my together. Last thing on the list is, well, let me just take it out. It's also from TomTom Skincare. Yeah, not TomTom Skincare. It's also from TomTom's variety store. I don't know what is, as I tell you, every time I see through them I get nervous. Nervous, yeah. Guys, if you want me to do videos with Julian on YouTube, comment below, because y'all be loving the TikToks. Love TikTok. I don't know, need to see it if you haven't seen what we've done on TikTok. Man, it's crazy.
Yeah, somebody got a call and give me an
yes, someone posts a video on Instagram and I get so much views and likes and comments and that thing there. Make Trudy and feel like she's famous, which she is not.
You know what?
Anyways, this is as you can see, yes, it's a stand that you put clothes on, or a clothes rack, or a clothes stand, or whatever them call that. Yes, so that's the end.
Are you be talking to the poor people and them confused or whatever?
Okay, so it's a shoes rack. Yes, that you put your clothes on. It's a portable one, so you can push it aside, put it anywhere you want, even walk with it.
Properly.
Even walk with it. I'm talking properly.
That's how police speak.
Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. I enjoyed creating it and I need some video ideas. It's 2023 now, guys.
You don't have enough video. Go learn how to cook. That's what make you get
I know how to cook, guys. Y'all know this.
You never said cook mackerel and rice.
Girl, shoot. So as I said, I need some video ideas in my DMs, on my Insta, and my TikTok. Love you guys.